Good morning everyone, and today's skincare product that I brought is the Senesan Hydrating Facial Sunscreen, which is a broad spectrum SPF 20. I know the weather is little warming up everywhere, so I thought I haven't somehow made a video on this one, so I thought I will cover this for this week. So I don't have anything on my face other than my skincare, so you can see that is its bare face. So because I wanted to show the application, so that way you can see the whole time how it looks. So I'm going to apply a tiny bit. This is how I will use for any Senegen's product. Don't use a lot because you will really wasting the product because it's highly concentrated. So for my whole face, this itself will be more. So I'm going to just apply it all over. This is a mattifying sunscreen. With sunscreen, I know we all have that question of it will make you oily, but this is going to be such a mattifying effect. So where it goes is it goes after your moisturizer, and it can go under your makeup too. So today I don't have any makeup. I finished with my all the daytime routine like climate control, my brightening, dark circle, everything whatever I do till my daytime moisturizer, eye cream. And now you can see it's very well observed and it's not what to say, like oily at all. So that's why I wanted to show you without makeup, and if you want you can always top it this one with your CCTM or foundation. If you are someone who has retinol in your system, then this is a must have for you, because the retinol will make your skin sensitive. Retinol is your nighttime routine product. It is never a daytime one. So whenever you use retinol at night, what it does is it's going to exfoliate your skin. So the skin becomes little sensitive to the morning when you go out in sun. So you need to really apply sunscreen the next day morning, because otherwise whatever effect you did, you are going to make it null, because that way you are exposing yourself directly to sun and you're going to damage the cells. So make sure you grab them, and as I showed how little I was using, this will last you so long, and you can use it all over your body too. Anytime when it says, for example, if it says 20, then you will add a 0 at the end. So that's how much protection it's going to have. So you can see if it says 20, that means it has 200 minutes of protection all over. So you see how it very well observed. So since I go out on walk and other things, I always make sure to use this. The difference between this one and our daytime CCTM and foundation is, this is a chemical equivalent of sunscreen, whereas those will have what is it, like mechanical equivalent of SPF 15 in each one of them. For example, daytime has SPF 15, CCTM has SPF 15, and foundation has SPF 15. Those are like, for example, if you go out in sun with a shirt, you will tan a lot where it is not covered versus where you covered. So that is how it is. Those acts as if you have a cloth on your face. So those are just mechanical equivalent, and these are chemical equivalent. So this is the broad spectrum SPF 20. The other product that has broad spectrum is our men's moisturizer, that has again broad spectrum SPF 20 in it. So let's go ahead and see the product. So first let me read out the benefits. So it has broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection from the sun. It has anti-aging benefits while hydrating the skin, helps to mattify the skin and reduce the shine. So that is with our sunscreen, which is in the spraying form, or this one. So any of Senegen's sunscreen will never make you feel sticky, because that is one thing I always struggled with my son and husband. They hate it because that stickiness, if it happens in your legs or something, it feels like as if bugs are attracted to that. So they both used to run away if I do sunscreen, until I introduced to Senegen's once. So now that is the one we carry all the time. And since the retinol have come, this broad spectrum one has been highly useful for me, because as I said, how much ever you take care without damaging your skin, that makes a huge difference. For example, using the digital age defense is going to help protect yourself from the blue light that we get exposed with laptops and our iPads, our phones, everything, because we almost spend 9 to 10 hours a day in our electronic devices. So that way, using that will help not damage your skin using the blue light that gets emitted from the phones, any electronical devices. Similar way, this is going to help protect you from the UV or UVB rays, because see, being in NC, we have like almost 8 to 10 months of sun outside, and we get to enjoy it because that's the reason we live here. So when you are in that kind of a place, then obviously make sure to protect your skin instead of damaging it is makes much sense, because if you have always had like brown spots or age spots, all are like sun damages. Then the next one is, it's oil free, lightweight formula, absorbs quickly and leaves no white cast. That's why I applied it before going in, because I want you guys to see how it feels. And formulated without oxybenzone and octinoxate, two chemicals that are known to harm the reef. So the coral reef, formulated without parabens, glutens and animal byproducts and fragrance. So there is no fragrance in this one. If you are someone who cannot handle that, then this will be perfect for you. So the active ingredients, I am going to just highlight few of them. Here they have many of the useful ones. I'm going to just highlight few which you will be interested in. There are 4 type of it's called sodium hyalurate in High Magic 4D. It's a trademark product which is in the ingredient list. It is going to help hydrate and moisturize the skin. It is a complex of 4 different types of hyaluronic acid, provides moisture. If you see hyaluronic acid, I never stop talking about my climate control. That is one thing that is like must have. If I have to choose like one product from the line, then it will be the climate control, because it's going to hydrate and it is like a Gatorade to your skin, and I can use it on all over the body and also on my son or anyone in my family. So that is one thing. So here we have 4 different type of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is naturally present in your body, but as we age it slows down. So what is hyaluronic acid is, hyaluronic acid presence in your skin cell can hold 1,000 times of its molecular weight of water, and since we are aging, we slow down on the production. So that's why adding hyaluronic acid is going to be like drinking Gatorade to your skin cells. That's going to make it plumpier. So here even the sunscreen has 4 type of hyaluronic acid in it, and then it has 4 different type of chemical sunscreen actives that absorbs the sun's damaging UV rays. Those are the ones not in the one that is harming the reef. So then the key performing ingredient are obviously the Senaplex complex, which we have it in our entire line, which if you don't know, you need to go back and watch my Senaplex complex video. Senaplex complex is a kinetic enzyme that is a proprietary concept to Senegens. It is going to help faster your cellular turnover, because as we age, our new cell production is going to slow down. So what Senaplex complex is going to do is, it's going to just give a boost to, that way the plumpier cells can reach on the top faster by 23.3%. So again, it's included in all our skincare and also in our makeup, and here we have included it in the sunscreen too. So that way, even as a sunscreen, you are still getting a skincare benefit to it. And it has aloe vera leaf juice. Obviously it's going to help moisturize and soothe the skin, and it has Aqua Excel, an anti-dehydration shield that helps the skin retain water, and Panthenol helps to moisture and smooth appearance. And then there is one big name, Gransil polysilicon 11, helps to mattify the skin and reduce the shine. And then it has vitamin E, an antioxidant that has moisturizing properties, and it has kelp extract which hydrates and softens the skin. I think the kelp extract is in our detoxifying mask if I'm not wrong, so that is where it is. And it has yeast extract which helps to calm and soothe the skin. It has orchid flower extract, acts as an antioxidant and humectant to moisturize the skin. It has cucumber extract as superfood for skin that has hydrating and soothing calming qualities, acts as an astringent and in good for oily skin too. If you see Senegen's skincare line, or even the primer, if you, for example, if I say they all have like antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, all those kind of properties. So that's why when you have an inflammation or when you have a breakout, even by wearing these things are going to help the inflammation go away and also treat it in the best possible way without damaging the skin cells. That's why I ask you to wear the primer even the day you don't wear even the day you don't wear foundation, because these are going to help reduce those breakouts in general actually. So when you have quality ingredients and you pay for the premium price, then you should know what it is made of and what is the benefits you are getting out of it. Then only you can make the difference out of a normal sunscreen to this one. See, it's very easy to grab a $5 one from the any drugstore brand or anything, but do you know whether it has any skincare benefits to it? Here, as I said, there is no filler in it. When it comes to bigger bottles, people always have a mindset that when you pay a price you need to get a bigger bottle, but sometimes when you use a smaller amount, that makes a huge difference, because here the quality ingredient is going to make you feel better. So the one of the wow product I get all the time is Resurfacer. Resurfacer again comes in this size, in this kind of a tube, and people who have used, they always come back and tell me, you need such a small amount of product for your whole face, and it is only twice a week, so it's going to be lasting for you minimum at least I would say 9 months, because it is like such a great product to use like a home facial for yourself, but it is also going to help you in making the skin feel better when you apply makeup, because if you say your makeup is not adhering better, if you feel like your skin has patches, that means the skin underneath is not good. Until the skin underneath is good, your makeup will never be 100%. So always to invest on your skincare, because that is like one time thing. For example, your one life, you are going to get only one skin. So why not take it with a better care and that make it last longer? Because I know many people will come and talk only when they see the signs of aging. For example, once they see wrinkles, once they see any damage, that's when they start to take care. But always preventive is good too, so start early and you will never regret it. So as I mentioned, it's a fragrance free and oil free product, and it also comes with our Senaplex complex. So it's 86 ml, that is 2.9 ounce. So it's quite a big size, I would say, for a facial sunscreen product. You have seen how much I have used, and if you have any doubts or if you want to see the ingredients, you can always reach out to me. I can share with you. And doing these individual thing makes you understand one product in a better way. That is why I do these Tuesdays as my skincare days, because concentrating on one product, I can talk more about it and explain it clearly, and the application wise, whether what goes what's like before or after, all those things. That's why I take time to do these videos, which I can share when you ask for. And as I said, this one you will apply after your moisturizer and before your primer and or any other like foundation or CCTM. So if you're not using makeup too, you can still finish it with primer, or you can just finish it with your sunscreen after your moisturizer. So that's it for today's product. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.